You're such a nerd. Why?
And don't forget Minnie. Hi, Minnie.
A lot of information that can help you make the most of your Walt Disney World resort vacation. How do you keep track of it all? Don't worry.
We finally got here. Yeah! We're in Disney. We're at our hotel, waiting on our friends. The first thing we're gonna do is go to Galaxy's Edge because we're super excited about it. And I'll take some videos and put them in here too. But the wait times seem like they're pretty low because everybody's scared of the hurricane and we're not. Are you scared of the hurricane?
Not a hurricane. People are babies.
Are you excited? Yes.
I'm too excited to form more words than you. Welcome, travelers.
Oh, this is so cool.
I love stuffed animals and those little boards are the cutest things ever. Yeah, they're so cute.
Joseph, go get on it. What do you think? Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah. I can't believe that's the milk line. That's crazy. I know. I would just like to notate the first time that I'm ever ready before Hunter. Hunter! I'm actually ready before him. He said, we're ready. But still had to do his hair. What was that?
This makes up for all the times I had to wait on you.
Also, this is our room. We're staying in Art of Animation. It's messy, so. But I love it. It's all Little Mermaid themed. They have different themed rooms, though. The beds are really cute. So far, so good.
It's hot.
It's very hot and windy, but no hurricane yet. All right, Food and Wine Festival thoughts. We've only ate like one thing though. I got the pollo at Italy, and he got the, what did you get?
Brazilian cheese bread.
It was both. They were both pretty good. We're going now to the apple.
It was breaded cheese.
Yeah.
Literally, they took a cheese stick and put bread on it.
But it was good. It was only $4 too. The poyo was really good, but now we're going to the apple seed booth thing, and I'll show you guys. It looks really cool. This is honestly one of my favorite parts, is coming to the aquarium. This is inside Nemo and Friends, but you can actually skip through the ride if you don't want to ride it and just come to the aquarium part. But we usually ride the ride too because it's fun. Ooh.
Giraffes. Giraffes, of course, are the tallest animals in the world. They can reach heights of up to 18 to 20 feet tall, and their tongues can also reach up to 1.5 feet in length. They also reach those really high up tree branches. So they spend most of the day eating to fill those stomachs, and they only spend 30 minutes out of the entire day sleeping. The group of giraffes is known as a tower. Solitary lives. Female elephants will be pregnant with their little ones for up to 22 months. A little one is a relative term when you give birth to a 300-pound calf. Also, sometimes throughout the day, you might see elephants throwing dirt on themselves using their trunks. They do that because the dirt acts as a natural sunscreen to help protect their sensitive skin from the harsh rays of the sun. Up on the left-hand side, there will be some greater flamingos.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs
Video part of it.
You guys have like a mind like that. What is life? Will I get enough sleep tonight? What am I going to do for the store? Whatever.
Where's the other baby one?
Only an hour early.
Lightsaber duel, go. It's hurricane day. Doesn't look too bad.
You've got a play date with destiny.
It's Buzz. It's Buzz Lightyear.
It's not Buzz Lightyear.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Yeah!
Every single time. I beat you on every game and you beat me at the last second. I didn't get our scores, but he beat me.
We're in a Magic Kingdom. Nice big dog. Very big dog.
Oh.
Wait, when did that happen? When did Dale have the sex change? Hey, Lady Dale.
I just wanted to take note that I beat him.
Sure.
I did.
Yeah.
I'm better at this one than I am Toy Story Mania.
No reservations available for tonight.
We always walk up. We always.
So we had to end our day a little bit early because the park's actually closed early today, which is weird because Disney like never does that. But apparently Disney Springs is open until 8, so we're gonna go there for dinner. Do you have thoughts?
People are wusses.
What's your number one Disney tip? Give the people what they want. Well, this trip we're trying to be more like in the moment instead of super rushed, because a lot of times we just try to go and do as much as possible, which is still fun, but I definitely don't recommend it for like your first trip or if you're with kids probably. But a lot of times we will go to probably like, typically we go to 2 parks a day, and always checking wait times on the Disney Experience app and making sure you catch your favorite rides on low wait times, and always use your 3 daily fast passes. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of things that can help your trip be better. It's actually been really good for us because of the hurricane happening, because I think a lot of people canceled and rescheduled their trips. Today we went to, where did we go first today?
Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, we did. We actually went to that
6 in the morning.
and oh, that's a good point. If you're staying on Disney property, a lot of parks have extra magic hours early in the morning and then at night as well. and it's exclusively for people who are staying on Disney property. So you can get there early and be there late. What did you just do? But yeah, Galaxy's Edge is awesome. Highly recommend. We only waited like 30 minutes for the ride, so that's good. That's really all I have right now. I'm sure I'll think of some later. Hey.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you at our channel later.
Our channel?
Bye guys.